Footsteps fading on the empty ground, quiet voices turning back to sound. Every streetlight writes your name, but all I touch just drifts away. I chase the echo through the like I've been here for days, and I fall through the ashes in the neon rain, trying to breathe, trying to feel again. Every shadow knows the shape of you, and I keep walking through the truth I never knew. Reflections in a broken sky, all my questions learning how to lie.